Ningbo Jiayuan Electronic Company Limited, established in 1999, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of thermoelectric cooler and warmer, portable DC compressor fridge freezer. We are located in Ningbo with convenient transportation access. Our brand Evercool has been a household name in the world, has always been to advanced technology, good management, and development of high-end products to promote the development of the industry, already become an important member of global industry. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced production equipment, including PU foaming machine from Italy, constant temperature test room, cooling element testing instrument, refrigerant gas injection machine, plastic injection machines. In addition, we have obtained CB, CE, GS, ETL, UKCA, ERP, LFGB, ROHS, FDA, REACH certificates. Our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, Sweden, Denmark, Finland, Norway, Holland, Poland, Germany, French, England, Japan, South Korea, Australia, Brazil, Argentina, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirement. Thank you.